Good morning, everybody. Guess what? It is new coupons for the month of August, and guess what? I was right. These reset again, so you guys can print those again. If you used them, if you printed them last night, that's awesome. You can print them again today. Awesome. So definitely thank you guys for, watching my videos when I post these, because sometimes these coupons, will print. So these are the ones that I'm printing. I do print my coupons off of swag bucks because I get points. I have enough to get like I think it's a $5 gift card or a 10. I can't remember what it is, but I have enough points, to get gift cards. But they got Ziplocs. They also have the 3 off of 2 CoverGirl. They got $1 off of Keebler, which I love. $1.50 off of Swab. Now these are all ones that I said last night you guys needed to print them off. CoverGirl, Olay, Huggies, which we're kind of diaperless right now, but if I still find a good deal. Now, I did print a bunch of these Sweet Tarts and Sprees. Those reset those were up yesterday morning or the day before. I'm not going to print those off again. We got the Tidy Cats, which I'm probably going to print off anyways. And then we got Ziploc, which I think I have enough Ziploc coupons for a while, and I can always print those again. Got everything just reprint. We got the CoverGirl reprint, the Cetaphil, Dove, the Puffs. I'm doing that deal at Walgreens today. More Dove. And then here is the Maserati, $1 off of that. Coca-Cola, buy one, get one free. It's actually, I think, at Walgreens. I think it's like Wednesday through whatever. Boost coupons, you got $2 off. That's a new coupon. Let's just load it. Epic, Skins, whatever that is, You'll Play, some of that stuff. Here we got $1 off of 2 Spam, 50 cents off of Hormel, 50 cents off of Annie's. Nature Valley, here we got $1 off of 2 Grand Biscuits. Here's a great coupon, you guys, $1 off of 5-star products. Now there's a deal either on Saving Star or Checkout 51, so letting you guys know with that deal. Here we got $1 off of 2 little soups. I'm going to print that off because usually those things are like 50 cents. $1 off of 2 Pillsbury. Lots and lots of new coupons. Now these also will probably be on Saving Star, which I will be doing a video later today for that. Awesome coupon. $1 or $2 off of the Playtex. We got $1 off L'Oreal. $1 off of 2 cereal. There's a lot of new coupons, you guys. $2 off of L'Oreal. 50 cents off of Snickers. So many new coupons. Drop-in liners. Here we got $1 off of Maybelline. $1 off L'Oreal, which I'm not going to print that off because I know we have some better coupons than that. Let's see what else we got. Cetaphil, those all reset. A lot of these did reset. The Renews It's still available. Glade. Seems like that might be it for all the new coupons to print. Yes. Okay, so those look like those are all the new coupons that reset. The only ones that I'm kind of sad that didn't reset are the Purell. I really wanted the Purell to reset. The Listerine did not reset, but that's okay. That's okay. Sorry, my thing's popping up. But yeah, those are new coupons to print. Definitely print those out, you guys. And I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.